Bobo, tin non camp a camp. Social Good Summit competition don't turn na salon. And to you say, then we launch am September 16. Well, then just not done the boot camp. Usai 24 regional qualifiers them. Go bade for the star prize them. So now, it don't reach them for let UNUCEF help for let we know who that them for win the different prizes them. For the agriculture competition, now the people then this.
Hello, I am Benjamin Bokari from Moyamba South and Sierra Leone, and I am in here for the Agriculture Innovation Challenge. I am the CEO for Youth Partnership for Aquaculture Development, Sierra Leone. The problem my innovation target is the unavailability of a local quality fish diet for catfish farmers in the country. And this particular problem is because, according to FAO, 45 to 50% of the total cost of production in the fish farming industry goes to feed. And because there is no local diet present in the market for catfish farmers, then there is a problem. And the pain, the challenges they are undergoing is as a result of accessibility of commercial diet suppliers or producers, and equally affordability of those commercial diets which they import sometimes. Innovatively, I look at it that there is a gap. And the solution I am bringing in here as a value proposition is the production of a local diet that is eco-friendly, smart, and it is a practical formulation using agro materials to have a sustainable feed supply for local farmers in such a way that I can strengthen the fish farming value chain of the country. And the people I am actually targeting are small scale, medium scale, and that of subsistence catfish farmers who are in Bow, Moyamba, and Tonkolili district. And this is because I want to see how I can actually solve their pain, since they cannot afford all the time to import fish from Ghana, Nigeria, so that they can get it at their farm gate on an accessible and affordable manner. Yes, this is how it works. This is the Aqua Green Feed. I start by sourcing agro materials from organic scraps like the fish meal and other agro produces like the corn meal, the cassava flake. The Moringa solution is one of the unique value addition I have made to this particular feed, which serves as a probiotic that increases the immune system activeness of the fish and equally promotes and reduce disease chances as a result of the feed consumption. And luckily enough for me, this particular feed has been tested in Jala University at the Department of Aquaculture and Fisheries Management, where I am as a student. We have tested it and it really works. And this is how I want to solve the problem in the fish farming value chain in filling the gap of local quality feed availability for catfish farmers, so that we can have a boost in terms of the fish production system of the country. Now, if I have the opportunity to win this particular challenge in solving this particular problem, this is what I will do. I think I will have to go in for more machineries so that I can have an upscaling in terms of my production and I can be able to satisfy the market readily. I thank you so much.
For votes for Benjamin Bokari, send SGS5 by SMS to the AfriCell number 3200.
Hello everyone, I am Julia Hawanatu Jakpoe from Bow Southern Region. I am in for the Agriculture Innovation Challenge. My idea is an innovative drying and preservation unit called the Carbon Free Dryer. This unit is brought forward to solve the problem of lack of fast and safer means of drying and preserving produce, which is leading to the high rate of post-harvest losses of food spoilage in the agricultural value chain. The carbon-free dryer is made up of stainless steel plates. It has the positive temperature coefficient, which is the heating element that generates heat to dry the produce. It also has wire meshes to hold the produce during the drying process, and a temperature control thermostat which manually regulates the temperature within the unit. How does it work? You place your produce into the carbon-free dryer on the wire meshes. You connect the carbon-free dryer to a power source. When you switch it on, the positive temperature coefficient, which is the heating element, automatically starts working. You can use the temperature control thermostat to manually regulate this temperature. On the other hand, The positive temperature coefficient is self-regulating. It can automatically turn off the carbon-free dryer or the unit when it starts overheating. I have identified my customer segment to be fishmongers, legume farmers, restaurants and hotel owners. If I win the Social Good Summit 2021 Agriculture Innovation Challenge, I will definitely widen the scope of my production. I will build a bigger unit, which is the carbon-free dryer, place it in a community where my target customers are predominant so as to sustain their means of drying and preservation.
For vote for Julia Hawanatu Jafoy, send SG S6 by SMS to the AfriCell number 3200.
My name is Ibrahim Almami Kamara from the northwest part of Sierra Leone, Cambia District. My innovative agricultural idea focuses on promoting sustainable organic animal feed through the use of cassava waste feed. Access to high quality and affordable animal feed is a major problem to farmers in Sierra Leone. Also, improper cassava waste management have greatly affected the environment. According to FAO report, a total of 4.9 million tons of cassava was produced in 2019, and that constitutes a total of 2.5 million tons of waste. Imagine if that waste is not properly taken care of. Our solution is to transform cassava waste spills to high and affordable animal feed products that can serve livestock, poultry and fish farmers in Sierra Leone. This is the end product from the cassava waste spills. This is cassava wet cake, and this is for goats, sheep, cow and pigs, and this have a shelf life of 7 days. And this is the kosh mash, as it is also for goats, sheep, cow and pigs, and this have a shelf life of 4 to 6 months. And this one is the fine mash, which is for those in the poultry as well as the fish farming, and it has a shelf life of 4 to 6 months as well. If I succeed to win this Innovative Summit grant, I will buy a grating machine which I will use to grate this cassava waste feed, as well as a hydraulic press which I will use for dehydrating, and also a frying pan. Those are the items that I will buy from this grant.
For vote for Ibrahim Almami Kamara, send SG S9 by SMS to the AfriCell number 3200.
My name is Musa Besise. I'm representing Northern. I'm here for the agricultural challenge. The problem I have discovered, because I want to my time I spend in the rural community. One, what the gap between what technical peoples and what the community farmers. Also, there is also a challenge with what with little or no technical skill for those rural farmers, and also the youth, with little what low return. Also, what there is wasted of food because of what they don't have the technical skills to what to process those food. As a developer, also I bring a solution, a platform called what Easy Farm Pad, which is what a mobile app also where we are with this farmer able to go after those skills like post harvest, especially because this is a big problem. We are able to have like how to process gari, how to make juice or this like, which I believe are able to help them. So with this platform, also what go like a social network where I be not only to learn but also what to make like ecosystem. For example, let me say I'm a farmer, I live in Kanlau, I also live I process rice, so I have to have this connection to build like the ecosystem to think about the farming. If I win this competition, one, I'm going to scale up the app as I already have the skill to develop, but I also need to involve other people, especially to develop the content. Because like a video, tutorial, all these things are going to involve a lot. So if I win this particular competition, I'm going to use that money to use that to tackle that particular area. Also, I'm going to involve other experts to do more research, make sure that the content is going to be what to be simplified to the less person going to understand.
For vote for Musa Besise, send SG S7 by SMS to the AfriCell number.
My name is Susan S. Sise. I live in Kabala, Northern Province of Sierra Leone. Agriculture Innovation Challenge. We dey into organic juice process. This organic juice, we dey get them from fruit, and vegetable. We dey produce this organic juice with honey. We also dey produce jam from we fruit dem, wey na banana jam, mango jam, pineapple jam. We problem na with community sales of contaminated drinks. 2. High wastage of fruit and vegetable. 3. High cost of juice. My solution to do mass production organic juice through processing machine. 3. We juice is clean and well packaged. Then 4. We also employ youth and women dem. Me target, I don already divide me target into three parts. 1. Pikin from age 3 to 15. 2. Young boys and girls age 16 to 29. 3. Young women age 29 to 35. Now this then na me target. By the grace of God, if I win this money, I go grow my business to big company where I go give employment to youth and young women. Thank you.
For vote for Susan S. Sise, send SG S8 by SMS to the AfriCell number 3200. So send your votes by SMS to the AfriCell number 3200 or vote online at forum.youthafairs.gov.sl, or you can download the app na Google Play Store. Winner National Youth App. Phone lines don't open from Friday the 19th, Sote Sunday the 21 November. So unu vote for show who that get the best idea for push Salone go before.